Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, you might have noticed that the last 24 hours have been super volatile. That includes Bitcoin, where it actually bounced up to 92,000 and fell back to 90,000 in a single hour. If you pay attention to Dogecoin, it's doing something similar, as from 38 cents to 36 cents in just a couple of hours, with the trading volume showing signs of increasing. There is a lot of whale activity, which is definitely controlling the market. On the other end, there are some whales which are trying to buy bits and pieces of Dogecoin to DCA into the right amount. Dogecoin to exceed the $1 and claim the title King of Crypto. Analyst says Dogecoin has way more room to grow as the market cap is no limitation, and Robinhood is trying their best to expand as much as possible around the whole world, and this could make a huge difference to crypto, as this could bring in a lot more flow of cash and therefore help the market climb even harder. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin and the whole crypto market, I highly recommend you scroll down, tap the red subscribe button right there, slap a like on the video, just update to algorithm, push the video to more people. More people are paying attention to crypto, the user engagement goes up, more inflow of cash, and a lot of us make a lot of profit as the market keeps climbing. Now, first thing first, I want to talk to you guys about the price action. As you can see, the market was slowly starting to go into the upper trend for Dogecoin, but just in the last 1 hour, as Bitcoin showed a little bit of a pullback, Doge did something similar. Why is this a big deal? Because you need to pay attention that it was slowly starting to show a formation of the lower lows going to the higher point. Now, it's still in the higher point as compared to before, but to make sure that it keeps climbing, we need to ensure that it doesn't actually fall anything below 35 cents. It is in a consolidation phase, but breaking that 40 cents is going to put it back into a bullish thesis. If you pay attention to the RSI line, it's pretty much in the dead center, clearly showing that it's just trying to hold on to the price for as long as possible. And on the other end, Bitcoin is doing something similar from the past couple of days as well. As you can see, it's been very stagnant. It's trying to consolidate to ensure that we do not see anything explosive. But as it becomes more volatile, the market is actually showing signs of weakening, and this could be a little bit concerning for some people, as the fear could build and this can actually pump the price downwards. Keep in mind, if we do fall down, there are key points that you should be paying attention to. First of all, there is going to be the support close to 85k, and then the next support is going to be close to 75k. Those are the key supports that could actually change the trajectory in terms of what direction the crypto market is going to go. If we talk about the whales for Dogecoin, as you can see on the 15th, which is just like 3 days ago, this Dogecoin whale was created. $60 million worth of purchase at the price of 40 cents. As the price decided to have a little bit of a pullback, this person is down about 4 million, but you can see 37.7 cents. They purchased another $170,000 worth of Dogecoin. They're clearly trying to DCA down the price so they can actually make more profit as it climbs even harder. Dogecoin to exceed $1 and claim the title. Now, this is a really strong statement, because crossing $1 isn't too hard in my opinion, because the way that Dogecoin has been paying attention right now and the way it's been climbing, honestly, crossing $1 could be actually a piece of cake. Just to give you perspective, crossing the dollar would mean that the market cap would have to climb to about 150 billion. I know it seems very far-fetched. 150 billion means it would be the third largest coin by market cap, but it still seems very possible, because you can see that the rate at which we have grown in the past just 90 days, 250% increase. Another 300% jump would pretty much put it to the exact point of $1. And XRP has definitely taken the spot very strongly in the 6th lot, but Doge is showing signs of recovery that can actually push it even harder. Even though the XRP market has climbed so strong, you can see that the trading volume is not a significant difference. Therefore, there are whales which are still buying and selling Dogecoin at a significant amount. And analysts are predicting there is not much to say. In simple terms, Dogecoin does not have limitations in terms of how big it can grow. There is so much room for it to grow, and it will definitely keep growing as more and more money is going to flow into it, and maybe even big financial firms are expecting some big things from Dogecoin. And Robinhood is expanding crypto trading globally. You guys know this only started in the US, but now they are definitely trying to expand as much as possible. Talking about the open interest, it's up another 5%, now sitting close to 2.5 billion, and the long to short ratio is still in the favor of long traders by not a small margin, but rather up to 75% to 25. And the open interest for Bitcoin is also climbing by about a 2%. This is another whale which you should be paying attention to. As you can see that just in the last 5 days they have purchased about $10 million worth of Dogecoin, and they are holding quite a large sum. As you can see that they're in profit of 118 million, and that's not in a long time. It's a really short time. Just in the last 6 months they have made that much profit. Also, Ethereum has established a solid demand zone around 3000, where 2.8 million addresses accumulated over 6 million Ethereum. This key support is going to be playing a crucial role, and you can see Bitcoin and Solana are trending on Twitter. Solana is doing some big numbers today as well, nearly crossing 250, and that's going to be a big deal. Now, Dogecoin's breakout above 32 cents suggests a potential further upside momentum in the crypto market. Now keep in mind the 2021-2020 bull market, there was a lot of pump from Bitcoin, but then there was a point where Bitcoin could not climb harder, and that was usually around the price of 32,000, and that's when Doge actually came in clutch, because the amount of money that flow into the crypto market because of Dogecoin, as it looks really friendly face and much easier to invest in. What did that do? Well, people decide to take profit, and that money that already came into crypto, usually it's going to be used as liquidity and will not be leaving anytime soon. And that's one of the reasons why the market actually saw so much money flowing in. And Russian government approves changes to the bill on taxation on crypto transactions. Now, the way they're going to be trying to tax this would be very interesting, but they are definitely trying to support it as much as possible. And BlackRock will be operating from Abu Dhabi very soon. They are starting their new office. And Bangkok rebounds from the largest retreat since the US election. Now, just to give you guys perspective, Bitcoin is making a huge difference. By the way, I didn't say Bangkok, it was Bitcoin. I just mispronounced it. And right now, the way that Bitcoin is rebounding, it's definitely showing signs that hitting 100,000 even before Trump gets into office would be very likely. And the spot Bitcoin, 5% of the total supply is now held by ETFs. So ETFs have definitely made a huge difference. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. We got a long way to go. Just keep being patient, and I'll see you very soon.